Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. In today's videos, as you can see in the description box down below, I will be unboxing this blender, and Hamilton Beach I think is the brand. Yeah, so let's get right into it. I got these off Amazon. I will place a link in the description box for those guys who need one. You can go ahead and purchase one. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I already took this out of the box and I put it back in there. I have it in the trunk of a car for a long while. I have it because I was using my older one. I didn't want to start using the new one yet as yet until I get rid of the older one. So yeah, this is the new girl. I already opened the box. The box is already ripped up, so, but y'all will see what's in here. So let's get into it. This is what the top part looks like. I think I like it because I like these glass ones. I don't like the plastic ones, even though these are easier to break or something, but I rather these ones than the plastic one because the plastic ones they tend to look older. Like the one I had a plastic one and they look older than it was. So, but it was very old, but you get what I'm saying. Those are the bottom part. It already come attached, so I didn't have to put the blade inside. This is the manual. This is the cover. Get into this plastic. This is the top part. I'm gonna get the bottom. Let's go over like this, and you can, this is the lid right here, you can open that and just pour it out. Yeah. As I said before, I will place a link in the description box for you guys on Amazon so you guys can purchase it. And then this is the last part. We've got a lot of different speed. Cut it off. You can make milk, for salad, pure white, whipped, smooth, ice, a lot of different speed. But I will be using this shortly to show you guys how it works. So yep. See. There you go, guys. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Peace, I'm out.